Swear the witness.
I have to do a read on. Good morning. We are on the record at 9:48 a.m. on Thursday, October 4th, 2012. This is the video recorded deposition of Raul Julia Levy. My name is Becky Muse, here with our court reporter, Nancy Smith-Wells. We are here from Veritext, National Deposition and Litigation Services, at the request of counsel for claimant. This deposition is being held at 1055 West 7th Street, Suite 2280, in the city of Los Angeles, California, 90017. The caption of this case is Elizabeth Terriot versus Raul Julia Levy, case number 12-52. Please note that audio and video recording will take place unless all parties agree to go off the record. Microphones are sensitive and may pick up whispers, private conversations, and cellular interference. I am not authorized to administer an oath. I am not related to any party in this action, nor am I financially interested in the outcome in any way. May I please have an agreement from all parties that we can proceed?
So stipulated by the
So
claimant.
stipulated.
At this time, will counsel and all present please identify themselves for the record?
Yes, Stanton L. Stein and Mary Beth Anigwe of Liner Grove Stein, and our client Elizabeth Terriot is here as well.
John D. Hart, D-E, space, H-A-R-T, and Alex Diaz for respondent, cross-complainant.
Thank you. The witness will be sworn in and counsel may begin the examination.
Will you raise your right hand, please?
Yes.
Do you affirm, under penalty of perjury, that the testimony that you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Thank you.
Sir, my name is Stanton Stein, and I will be asking you questions. I'm the attorney for Elizabeth Terriot, the claimant, and in this matter. I'll do my best to ask questions that are comprehensible, but if any time you don't understand my question, you can ask me to repeat it, or you can ask me to rephrase it, and I will do that. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
If you do not indicate that you do not understand a question, I will assume that you did understand it, and I will assume that the answer you're giving me today is the best answer you're capable of giving. Do you understand that?
Yes, I do.
You're testifying under oath under penalty of perjury, as if you were testifying in a court of law before a judge or jury. Do you understand that?
Yes, I do.
You understand that perjury is punishable by both fine and imprisonment in the state of California?
Yes, I do.
Okay. There's a court reporter taking down your testimony, because the reporter can only take down actual spoken words as opposed to gestures or shaking of your hand or other sounds. It's important that you give me verbal responses. Will you do that?
Yes.
Because the reporter can only take down one person's testimony at a time, it's important that you wait until I complete my question before beginning your answer. Will you do that?
Yes, sir.
And likewise, I will wait till you've completed your answer before I give you the next question. Is that agreeable?
Yes.
Okay. Sometime after today's deposition, you will be provided with a transcript. You'll be given the opportunity to review the transcript and make any changes which you deem necessary. But if you make any changes, I or whoever tries this case at the arbitration will have the right to comment on any change that you make. You understand that?
Yes.
All right. So it's important that you attempt to give us your best testimony today. Do we agree?
Yes, sir.
And is there any reason why you can't give us your best, complete, accurate testimony today? Are you under the influence of any drugs or anything else that would affect your ability to testify?
I'm taking some medication right now, and but I feel comfort.
Okay. What medications are you taking, sir?
It's medication for anxiety and stress.
What's the name of the medication?
It's called Ativand.
May I see that, please?
Sure.
that this, since he's provided it, be marked as the first in order, and made our first exhibit, which appears to be some sort of prescription order by Jonathan Prince, MD, to Raul Julia Levy. It appears to be, well, I'm not even going to try to. Ativan is the prescription, ATIVAN, but we will have a copy of this. Thank you. Sir, if at any time, other than during a pending question, you feel the need to take a break, let me know and I will give you the opportunity to do that. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Not during a pending question, but after the questions.
I understand.
Have you ever had your deposition taken before?
Yes.
On how many occasions?
Twice.
Describe for me, in the first time it was taken, were you a plaintiff or a defendant in a lawsuit?
I was a witness.
You were a witness?
Yes, sir.
What was the nature of the lawsuit?
It was a gentleman from Spain who claimed that he failed at the pool of the Four Seasons Hotel in Beverly Hills. And I saw what happened that evening.
And you testified on his behalf?
I was a witness for the hotel.
Oh, you testified on behalf of the hotel?
I testified on behalf of Mr. Cohen, the owner of the Four Seasons in Beverly Hills.
What was the name of the plaintiff in that case, do you know?
Daniel Levin.
How do you spell last?
Levin, DELELVIN, Levin.
And what year was this in that you testified?
To my best recollection, I think it must be like 8 years ago.
Okay. What's the second time you were deposed?
It was with you guys at the arbitrator's office.
Well, that wasn't actually a deposition. That
Oh, I'm
was
sorry.
a hearing where the arbitrator asked
Okay.
you questions.
Well, that was it.
Rather than, okay. All right. I just want to put on the record that the deposition was scheduled for 9 o'clock. Mr. Levy actually arrived at 9:35 downstairs. We did ask that he be frisked for security purposes, which did occur. Then we came upstairs. Then Mr. DeHart wanted to talk to him for a little while, and the deposition actually commenced as the videographer stated at 9:48 rather than 9 o'clock.
I also want to indicate for the record that I wasn't supposed to be here because of the doctor's notes, and I tried my best to comply with my obligations.
I noticed when you were searched that you have in your pocket a number of what appear to be passports. Could you show me those passports, please?
Yeah, I brought him so that you and I can play some poker, maybe.
All right.
Let me see them first.